Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Laura and today I'm back with a great idea for your Valentine. If you're looking for a perfect present for your special one, keep watching because this heart is easy, cheap and super beautiful. Be creative and make nice pieces of jewelry using this lovely heart. I'm sure they all love it.
If you like this video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the notification sign and you'll be notified by YouTube every time I'll post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then remember to be still beautiful, smile and be very happy.